Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the latest updates on the project.
Stop scrolling. If you're not using AI to make money in 2026, you could be missing one of the biggest opportunities of this decade. Forget the fake gurus and unrealistic promises. That's not how real people build income with AI.
In the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 practical ways beginners are using AI to earn real money.
These are real skills that businesses are paying for right now, not get-rich-quick tricks. AI isn't magic. It's simply the most powerful tool you can use to multiply your skills.
A hammer doesn't build a house by itself, and AI doesn't make money unless someone knows how to use it.
People don't get paid for using AI. They get paid for creating value with AI. The secret isn't AI itself. The secret is solving real problems for real people. The first way to earn money with AI is content writing. Never copy AI output. Improve it, personalize it, and deliver something clients will happily pay for. Businesses constantly need blog posts, website content, product descriptions, and email copy. When you consistently deliver quality work, clients come back with even more projects.
The second method is YouTube automation.
AI helps you write scripts faster, but your ideas and storytelling keep people watching. Editing, pacing, and storytelling are still the biggest reasons successful videos go viral.
One great video can continue bringing views, subscribers, and income long after it's published.
And we're just getting started. Next, I'll show you how AI can help you make money with graphic design, even if you've never designed anything before. The third method is AI-powered graphic design. You no longer need years of experience to create professional-looking designs.
AI helps you design faster by suggesting layouts, colors, and creative ideas in just seconds. A great thumbnail can be the difference between a video getting ignored or going viral. Small businesses need fresh social media posts every week, and they're willing to pay for quality designs. Build a strong portfolio first. Clients hire people who can show results, not just make promises. The fourth method is freelancing. This is where many beginners land their first paying clients. Offer services that solve real problems instead of simply saying you use AI. The secret to freelancing isn't finding clients. It's understanding exactly what your clients need. Always deliver work that's better than expected. Happy clients often become repeat customers. As your reviews grow, clients begin finding you instead of the other way around. The fifth method is creating digital products. Templates, planners, guides, and checklists are digital products that people buy every day. The best part is that you create it once and can sell it again and again. This is called scalable income, earning without creating the same product repeatedly. The sixth method is creating online courses. AI helps you prepare lessons faster, but your knowledge is what students are truly paying for. A valuable course can continue generating income for months or even years after you publish it. The seventh method is AI-assisted coding. Even beginners can build simple websites, landing pages, and business tools much faster than before. AI won't replace developers, but it helps them work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Now let's talk about something most creators never mention: the reality behind AI income. AI is not a shortcut to becoming rich. It's a shortcut to becoming more productive. The people making real money with AI are constantly learning, improving, and practicing their skills. Consistency beats motivation every single time. Small daily improvements create massive long-term results. Your portfolio is your greatest asset. Every completed project makes it easier to attract better-paying clients. Ignore the hype. Focus on creating value, because that's what people are willing to pay for.
Don't try to master everything at once. Choose one skill and become really good at it.
Once you've mastered one skill, expanding into others becomes much easier. Give yourself just 30 days of focused learning and consistent practice. You'll be surprised by how much progress you can make. Success usually starts small. The goal is steady progress, not instant perfection. Great work brings repeat clients, referrals, and bigger opportunities without spending money on advertising. Remember, AI is only a tool. Your creativity, discipline, and problem-solving skills are what truly create income.
If you learned something valuable today, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI guides.
Thanks for watching. Start learning, start building, and let AI become your partner, not your shortcut. I'll see you in the next video.